This video was published by mbkpinternational.com. This video I'm going to show you the stand assembly for an electric paper cutter. You're just going to have the two sides, and then the front and the back. You're also going to have the floor, a drawer, and this is basically just a pull-out trash bin. Okay, and for the purpose of this video, I partially assembled this, but you either order it with the wheels like this or with the rubber feet. Right now I just got the rubber feet. If you ordered with the wheels, these would screw into the four legs of the stand. Okay, typically it's best to have two people, so you can have someone holding the two sides up while you screw in the bottom portion. This will be sticking down when you're done with it, and down to this, they'll be screwing into the sides of the bottom screw hole of the stand legs. Once you get them in, you can just rotate this up like so, and then you get then you'll screw one in there and one in there. I'm going to not do all the screw holes just for, again, to make this quicker. I'll just screw in this top one up here. You want to try this, see how this is hanging down. You want to try to lift up and make everything even as good as possible. I'm just going to only partially screw it too. We can make this a little quicker. And then you're going to have it screws here and here. There's 4 on there. You're going to get all those in, and you'll have 4 on the other side. You'll get them all in and tighten them down. And then we'll come around to the back side, and we're basically going to do the same thing. You get the top one, you have the bottom one attached down there, and then you just rotate it up to get these 2 here on the sides. Then you're going to go up the side these 4, and the other 4 up the side. I'll just throw one in here to hold them in place. And then you're going to have the floor. It's pretty simple. Just going to bring the floor in. This goes to the front where the drawer will go. Just kind of put it in like this. And just lay it flat in here. And you got 3 screw holes in the back here. You just got to line them up, screw it in. And you got 1 up front here and up front there. So 2 up front and 3 in back. You'll have some smaller screws for those. I'm not even so sure you need the screws in this, but you can put them in. Once you get that, it's pretty simple. The drawer just slides right in, so there's nothing that really holds it. You got the cover like this. Just going to slide all the way in like this. In the trash bin, you're going to look for these grooves here. There's 1 on each side, and the post here. Again, 1 on each side, another one over there. And just try to first you got to get this, there's this lip here, so you got to get this lip up inside of this, and then pull up, and then you can look down in here, and you can see the holes there and the posts, and just guide it right into the posts. It's in the post now. It's pretty simple once you get it in. That's basically it. Just make sure you got all your screws in and all tightened down. Again, there's 4 on each side, and there's some bottom ones too on each side. And then when you take your paper cutter, you're going to need at least 3 strong individuals, if not 4, 1 on each corner, and then a 5th individual to help guide the post legs of the paper cutter into these here. So you'll have 1 on each corner, 3 strong individuals to place it down on top of this, but you'll need a 5th one to maybe crouch down here and make sure the legs are guided into these post holes, because it's kind of hard to guide them in when you're up here. You can't really see it. So good idea to have 4 strong individuals and a 5th one to help guide it in. But that's basically it. This video is property of mbkpinternational.com.